In this video, I will show you how to disable extensions on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, you might want to disable an extension because maybe it's interfering with something you're trying to do, but whatever reason you want to do this, all you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and then what you want to do is come and hover over the extensions option here. Now on this submenu, you're going to see a option which says manage extensions. Give that a click, and this is where you're going to find all your extensions. So you can see I've got a couple turned on and I have a couple disabled. To disable an extension, all you need to do is locate the extension you want to disable, and you're going to see a on off switch like this. All you need to do is click this, and that's going to disable the extension. If you want to turn this back on, of course all you would do is come back to this page and turn the switch back on to re-enable the extension, and you can also fully remove the extension if you no longer need or use the extension by clicking the remove button here. So that is how to disable extensions on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.